Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change username in Bereal. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to change your username, all you need to do is simply tap open your Bereal app. So once you open it, simply tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner and then tap on your name. Once you tap on your name, you need to now tap on username and then type in the username you want to set it as in your Bereal. Now once you have set it in, you can simply tap on change username, and if it has already been taken, then you can simply opt for another username and tap on change username. Once you do this, you can come back and see that now your username has been changed on your Bereal account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.